Hi guys. Today I was able to get ChatGPT embeddings to work, which allows you to match up text in a fuzzy search kind of way to text in another data set. So this is a very common problem, and when you're building a video editor, one of the things you have to do is match up stock material, let's say video clips. To the transcribed narration. So the video clips have a description, and you want to find the description in the transcription of the video clip, and you want to match it up already. So there are a couple of tools that does that, and I want my tool to be able to do this as well. And I just looked at the various ways of doing it, and one thing that I came up with is that you have to extract the assertions that are made in the narration first, find the key assertions throughout the narration, and then try to match up the video description. So here I have this video library. Every video in the video library has a description. And so what I need to do is to find that point in the narration where the description fits the best. So if I do this well, I will have an algorithm that will be able to find in local and online databases stock material that applies to a script and that can tell me exactly where it belongs in the script and the time index where it should be inserted. So that's the goal of this, and this is one of the first experiments. I had another video yesterday about how to extract the assertions, and now the whole thing kind of works. It doesn't work well yet. The videos are not exactly matched up to as they should be, but here's my output, and then I will also run it. But I just want to show, just in case, because ChatGPT is not 100% reliable, at least not in these example programs at this point. So in case it doesn't work, I just want to show you my output. This is my previous run. So basically I have, so this is my video library. As you guys can see, I have a file name. These are stock video clips that you guys can pay for and download from various websites. And then you give it a description. Now, if you're lucky, then the website will give you that description. And then what I need to do is I also have a VTT file. This is a transcription of the video clip. And the goal, the mission is to find these descriptions in this VTT file. So like I said, the first thing I do is I take that VTT file and I extract the key assertions. So what I have here is I'm extracting the key assertions, concatenate the file, create one flow in prose, because otherwise it is just this really fragmented thing. Extract the key assertions and their time indexes back into the concatenated part. And then so now I have a list of assertions, and I also have the kind of the fragment that those assertions correspond to in the narration. And then I supply the list of assertions to the vector search from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has something called embeddings, which allow you to match text based on fuzzy search in an efficient way to other text, which is not exactly the same. So this is that kind of example, right? So I have these descriptions and I want to search my assertions and match them up, or vice versa. So what this does is first it has to create these arrays. So I have my assertions array and I have my video descriptions array. So assertion text and video descriptions. And then what I need to do is use embeddings and match them up. And so and then it does this cosine similarity to give me the most similar matches, and I concatenate them. And the result of that is actually what comes out here is actually not too bad. So what I did was this is my assertion, for example. And hold on, let's see, there's a better one because that's just the assertion. This is the final output. So here I printed out the assertion and the associated file name. So for example, here, The assertion is think of it like an assembly line for your agency. So I'm talking about efficiency. This is this video this is a transcript for is talking about how to create an efficient AI automation agency. So this is talking about efficiency. So the assertion in this fragment is think of it like an assembly line for your agency. So make it efficient. This is the fragment it belongs to. I have to work on this a little more. I want to find a richer context. And so this was supplied to the vector search, and it found this video for it, which is actually perfect because it is this video shows an assembly line where solar panels are being assembled by robots. So it is just a perfect thing. Think of it like an assembly line, and it found the assembly line. I have just I have something like 15. Like, let's see, how many images do I have here? These are my images here. So this is like maybe 20 images. It found the right one. Great. So let's see. Let's look at another one. Assertion plus it's more expensive because you're getting less bang for your buck. For this, it found a video that I gave the title to "Losing in Business." It's a close sign hanging in a window, in an office window. So business is being closed, right? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. The assertion is it's more expensive because you're getting less bang for your buck. Okay, it found a losing business video. And the actual raw text that is associated with this get noticed and drive sales. Now, if I were trying to market it to, it's not quite perfect. So maybe the index is indexing back to the original text is not perfect. But so far, it's not too bad. Let's look at another one. Assertion is generic marketing feels like generic. Okay, found the losing business video again. Close sign hanging on the door front of a shop. Okay, fine. Let's see. Let's look at another one. Assertion, I get their pain points, their goals, and what makes them tick. So I'm talking about my industry. Like if I market to my own industry. What did it find? The description for the video is goal setting, achieving, hitting the target. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So, I mean, an AI tool doesn't have to be perfect. What it has to do is really quickly populate your dashboard with very good suggestions, and then you can pick out the ones you like. But this is not a bad start at all after like 1 day of working on this or 2 days of working on this. So I'm very excited about this, and I think this is going to be a great addition to my video editor. If you guys want to get early access to that editor, and if you're interested in it, and after watching the videos and so on, and you want to try it out, please drop a like and a comment, and I will let you know how to get access to it as soon as it comes out, and also have some deals sometimes on AI tools. And I will also let you guys know that if you leave a comment and a like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.